Boys and girls, how are you? Hope you're doing good. So our lesson for this week is about chemical changes. What are chemical changes? So a chemical change is a change that causes new matter to form. So chemical change can take place in food. Yes, food may ripen or rot as it gets old, just like this diagram. So, as you can see, a chemical change happens when fruit ripens. Like here, banana change color as they ripen. They also become softer. Alright, so unripe, ripe, and overripe. Okay, so this is a chemical change. A chemical change happens when fruit ripens. Bananas change color as they ripen, so they also become softer. So as we said, it may change color, it may smell or taste bad. Baking also causes a chemical change, like the cake batter. Cake batter changes when you bake it. It feels and tastes different. Okay? So, let's solve this exercise together. List one way these bananas have changed. So, bananas ripened, right? Okay. So, the bananas ripens. Okay, so of course, not all chemical changes are good. A car made of iron may rust. Rust is weak and peels. This can also happen to a train made of iron. So the iron on this train has rusted. This is a chemical change. So what happened here? So the train changed its color, right? Because the train rusted. So this is when a chemical change happens. Let's write true or false here. Okay, so it is a chemical change when a banana ripens. Yes, it is true. It is a chemical change when you bake a cake. First it was a cake batter, then it changed and feels and tastes different. So what happened here? So it is, yes, a chemical change. So also true. All right. Okay. So what are the signs of chemical change? Sometimes a chemical change happens when different things are put together. Most times you can tell when a chemical change happens. Here are some signs to look for. Number 1 is light. Number 2, heat. Number 3, gas formation. And number 4, color change. I'm going to show you an example. This is the Statue of Liberty. So the Statue of Liberty was the color of the penny, just like this. Yes, it was this color. Then it turned into green. over time, of course. So this, we call it a chemical change. Okay, so let's look at this picture together. Okay, so here is burning logs. Burning logs give off light here, as you can see, and heat. And heat. Light and heat. A chemical change is taking a place. Because first they were normal logs. We added heat. So what happened? We have a burning logs. The burning logs give off light and heat. This is a chemical change. Okay, let's move to the other picture here. So these bubbles, as you can see here and here, these bubbles tell you there is a chemical change. How do you know? Because we added two kinds of matter mixed and made a gas. Do you remember when we did an experiment? Remember? We added vinegar and baking soda together. What happened? Is it a physical change or it is a chemical change? So it is, of course, a chemical change. All right? Because we added two matter together and they form a gas. So the vinegar is liquid and the baking soda is solid. So we mix them together, then we have a gas. Okay, let's solve this quick check together. Identify each example as a chemical change or physical change. So we have here number 12. It says wood carving. So wood carving means when you have a wood and you are carving it, you are doing it. So is it chemical or physical? It is physical change. All right, here number 13. Apple turning brown. It's turning brown by itself. That means it's ripened, right? So it is, of course, chemical change. Okay, what about burning paper? Burning paper is chemical change. Okay. Now, hope you understand, and if you have any more questions, if you did not understand, please send me on Class Dojo and I will try to help you. All right? So stay safe and stay healthy.